Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Rav4 headlights full guide. Locate the headlight knob on the left side of the steering column and turn it to the headlight symbol to power the low beams. If your model has an auto setting, switching there lets the car manage lights for you. For high beams, push the stalk away, and to flash, pull it toward you briefly. This section explains each control so you feel confident checking lights at a glance. The knob usually rotates through off, parking, headlights, and auto, while the stalk handles high beams and flashes. Look for the headlight icon on your dash when lights are on, and the bright beam symbol when high beams engage. Always verify lights before driving at night to stay safe and compliant with traffic laws. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation. I've been using the Owala water bottle, and it's great for staying hydrated during maintenance sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Supporting the channel helps us bring better content and honest recommendations. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. If headlights fail to illuminate, first check the headlight fuse and replace it if blown, then test again. Dim or flickering lights often point to aging bulbs or a weak battery, so inspect bulbs and charging system. Consult your owner manual for exact fuse box location and bulb type references, and swap components in a dry, well-lit area. If problems persist, visit a qualified technician to avoid unsafe driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.